Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best battle rope workouts in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Power Guidance Battle Rope Outdoor Workout. This battle rope is excellent for beginners and pros alike. It is durable, long-lasting, and is convenient to use. This rope is all nylon sleeves covered. It reduces friction and increases durability. So, your rope will last for a long time to come. Made with 100% Dacron, it is more durable and sturdy than Polypro and Poly-DAC materials. It comes with a rope anchor included, which is great. It features a 3-strand twisted design in 30, 40, and 50 feet rope lengths and comes in 2 thicknesses, 1.5 inch and 1.2. The 1.5 inch is enough for a regular workout, but if you want to indulge in some tough grip workout, the 2 is better suited for you. It is equipped with 7.5 inches heat shrink grips for a vice-like grip. The heat shrink caps on the ends will not come off and hold shape to protect your hands during your rope exercise workout. In our opinion, this battle rope is the best battle rope sold on Amazon. Number 2. Our second best pick is Project Pro Battle Ropes. This battle rope comes with Duramax protective sleeve, heavy-duty coated handles with 3 rope lengths with 3 thicknesses. The rope lengths are 30, 40, or 50 feet. This battle rope is made with high-quality, durable materials. It features 2 heavy-duty anchor straps and a stainless steel carabiner to secure your rope battle wherever you want in a jiffy. There is no question of rope fraying because of the superior quality materials that go into making it. The battle ropes are as tough as you want them to be. The straps are non-slip and take any change of rope slipping during your workout. In all, you get a great workout experience. Number 3. Our third best pick is Yes4All Battle Exercise Rope. This battle rope is a great affordable option that will help you achieve these fitness goals and get a full body, intense workout. It is available in 3 different lengths, 30, 40, and 50 feet. Also, you can opt for the 1.5 inches or 2 inches diameters. So, whether you are just looking for an entry-level rope battling routine, or you are an intermediary or pro looking for an intense battle rope workout, this exercise training rope has you covered. This battle rope can be set up easily, effortlessly, and quickly, anytime, anywhere. With the added equipment, just throw this in your car and set it up anywhere to get a good workout done. This rope is made of 100% poly-Dacron material with protective nylon sleeves. This lends durability to the rope and makes it friction-fray resistant. It is equipped with an anchor and strap that can be easily installed in no time at all. The 10-inch heat shrink handles are longer than that of many other rope handles. It makes your routine more effective by providing a firm, comfortable grip. Since it is extra long and slip-resistant, it can handle the excess sweat and allows you more space to keep at it without losing your grip. With this one, you can set up your home gym anywhere. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Perantlb Poly Battle Rope. With this battle rope, you can perform grappler throws, burpee slams, alternate wave or lateral lunge combo, single arm plank waves, double wave squat combo, etc. This rope is resistant to water spills and moisture and is a breeze to maintain. You can assemble it easily with the step-by-step instructions provided. It comes in 3 different lengths, 30, 40, 50 feet, and 2 thicknesses, 1.5 and 2 inch diameters. Apart from the overall protection sleeve, the protection sleeve in the middle acts as the friction between the protective rope and the battle rope anchor. The sleeve cushions the rope from friction and fray. The heat shrink cap will keep the rope tightly wound to provide a non-slip grip. The heat shrink handles enhance the grip for a great exercise experience overall. Prone to sweat excessively during your workout? The non-slip handles are 66 inches long and thick and made with PVC rubber, and so they won't slide from your fingers even if you are sweating profusely during your battle rope workout. Apart from the protective sleeves and coated handles, you also get an anchor kit, 2 reinforced heavy-duty anchor straps, and a stainless steel carabiner. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is GEARDO Battle Rope. Made with 100% Dacron, this rope is sturdy and durable. This battle rope is covered with sleeves made of nylon. As a result, your rope will not wear out due to friction. You can use it for years without any quality issues. The 3-strand twisted design gives you 3 rope length options: 30, 40, and 50 feet with 1.5 or 2 inches thickness. The 30 feet shorter conditioning rope is ideal for those stepping into the world of rope training. The longer ones pose a more challenging workout to the intermediates and pros. The heat shrink handles of this rope are long at 10 inches and not only improve your grip and improve your safety during a workout by preventing your hands from slipping and causing injury, but it also never comes off. This is particularly useful if you sweat excessively or during a highly intensive workout session. They are dust-resistant, long-lasting, and do not fray. The major drawback is that the anchor kit is not included in the package, so you will have to buy it separately. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.